Hey everyone, so the Scratch Game Jam number 8 just finished up. The theme this time was 2 games at once, and we got some pretty cool games. In this video, I picked out 5 of them to share with you. And by the way, the 9th Scratch Game Jam is now open for registration. You can find the link in the description. Don't forget to join it. Alright, let's talk about the first game. It is made by the popular scratcher, The Chaotic. In this game, you got to keep exploring the cave, collect better weapons as you go, and take down any enemies you come across. It is a mix of digging, exploring, and shooting platform games, which makes it really refreshing to play. The weapons in the game are super cool, and let me tell you, the Chaotic's visual in this game is really impressive. Gandi is definitely a must-try in this Scratch Game Jam. Next up, we got a fun platform puzzle game. The goal is to collect rubies in this temple full of tricky mechanisms. The puzzle design in this game is really clever. Sure, there might be a few challenge parts, but once you got the hang of it, you will be in the zone. Keep pushing yourself and trying new things. Trust me, it's totally worth it. Moving on, we got a retro GB style game. In this one, you got launch rockets into space, dodge or shoot down obstacles and enemies, and try to fly as far as you can. While you are at it, you can also collect resources to upgrade your rocket. There are a bunch of different enemies and even a final boss. Now, if you're like me and just average at playing games, you can probably finish this one in about half an hour. But let me tell you, the joy you'll get out of it is totally worth the time. Now, this next game has a really unique combat style that is super dynamic and cool. The character moves around really fast, and the enemy are pretty aggressive too, so you gotta be quick on your feet in the battlefield. But it's so much fun to play. The sound effects in this game are top-notch too. I noticed that as your character's health gets lower, the background music gets more intense. It's a really well-designed feature. So if you are a fan of tower defense games, you may have this experience before. Once you set up all your powerful defense towers, there is not much else for you to do. A lot of games try to keep things interesting by throwing more and more enemies at you, or by making the enemies stronger and harder to beat. But this time has a different approach. Maybe during those quiet moments, you can do something else that doesn't require too much focus. Who knows, maybe something cool will happen. It's an interesting idea, right? I put links to all these games in the video description. And of course, there are plenty more nice games in this jam. The creativity of these participants is just mind-blowing. I'm really looking forward to seeing what everyone comes up with in future Scratch Game Jams, and I hope all of you can join in and create something awesome together. Don't forget to sign up for the 9th Scratch Game Jam. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe too. I'll catch you guys next time.